If you've ever wondered how to do the green screen feature or a video that looks like this, check it out. I'm first gonna find the article or the snippet or the graph that I want displayed behind me, and then I'm gonna take a screenshot. Next, you're gonna open up Instagram. In the bottom horizontal menu, select the plus button. In this screen, down at the bottom, you'll see a gray bubble that says Post, Story, Reel, and Live. Select Reel. When you get here, yes, we can see that camera roll, but first we have to tap on the green screen feature effect. There is an icon above your camera roll that has a circle and an outline of a person. When we tap it and this icon turns white, that tells me that the green screen feature is activated. Next, I need to tap on the picture, the screenshot, or the video that I want displayed behind me. I already see my screenshot that I want to use up at the top left corner. Once I tap it, it's going to take me to a screen that looks like this.